Excellence Online. Subscribe to our channel now for more educational videos and press the bell icon for more updates.
Assalamu alaikum. मोहम्मद साकिब कुरैशी एक्सीलेंस एजुकेशनल न्यूज़ में आप सबको खुश आमदीद. Dawood University of Engineering and Technology has announced admissions in MS in Chemical Engineering, MS in Electronic Engineering, MS in Metallurgy and Material Engineering, MS in Industrial Engineering, PhD in Chemical and Electronic Engineering. Last date to apply is 23rd of November and aptitude test will be taken on 9th of December. Comsat University, Islamabad has announced admissions in various disciplines of postgraduates and graduate admissions. For details, please visit admissions.comsat.edu.pk. Indus College of Allied Health Technician and Diploma Program in Paramedics by the Indus Hospital. 1-year programs include OT Technician Program, Anesthesia Technician Program, Pharmacy Dispensing Program, Peds Oncology Technician Program, Dialysis Technician Program. Eligibility to apply is matriculation with 50%. 2 years courses include Diploma in ICU, Diploma in Cardiology Technician, Diploma in Blood Banking and Transfusion. Eligibility criteria is intermediate with 50%. Last date to apply is 10th of November 2018. Pakistan Institute of Ophthalmology Al Shifa Trust High Hospital Rawalpindi is announcing BS in Optometry and Orthopedics. Application deadline is November 30. Aptitude test will be taken on 12th of December 2018. Shaukat Khanam Memorial Cancer Hospital is announcing admissions in their nursing programs: 1-year diploma in emergency and critical care nursing, 1-year diploma in perioperative nursing care, 1-year diploma in oncology cancer. Application deadline is 30th of November 2018 and aptitude test will be taken on 8th of December. Liaquat University of Medical and Health Sciences is offering MPhil in Education, Leadership and Management. 100% scholarship available for meritorious students. Application deadline is 14th of March 2019. Shahid Benazir Bhutto University of Veterinary and Medicine Sakrand is announcing admissions in their Doctor of Veterinary Medicine program. Eligibility criteria is intermediate with 50%. Last date to submit forms is 3rd of December 2018 and aptitude test will be conducted on 16th of December. NED University is offering short courses in Effective Decision Making and Problem Solving, Cold Supply Chain Management, Integrated Management System, Real-Time Project Monitoring, and professional certificates in Advanced Course on Industrial Relation and Labor Law, and Professional Safety Practitioner. For details, please visit academy.neduet.edu.pk. Ziauddin University is announcing MS in Biomedical Engineering. Application deadlines are 30th of November 2018 and entry tests will be conducted on 2nd of December. For more details, please visit www.zu.edu.pk. Dr. Ziauddin Intermediate College is announcing Diploma of Associate Engineering, Electrical and Electronics. Eligibility is metric exams passed with 40%. For details, please visit www.dzic.edu.pk. Barret Hodgson University is announcing admissions in BS Biosciences, PharmD, BScs, BE Biomedical Engineering, BBA and MBA. Last day to submit forms 28th of December and test on 29th of December. For more details, please visit www.bhu.edu.pk/admissions. This was all for today's news bulletin. Inshallah, next week आप सबसे मुलाकात होगी. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाह.